Didn't take much to get the David Bradley 758G fired up and running. Recleaned and set the points to 15 thousandths. Rebuilt the carburetor and replaced the fuel line in between the tank and the carburetor. Runs really nice. Just need to actually put the air filter back on. In order to do that, I actually got to go get a couple of screws from the hardware store. But it's running. Not sure when it's from. I would say probably late 50s, early 60s, mid 60s, something like that. Haven't run the serial number yet. Uses a Power Products AH58 engine, which is 95 cc's. Manual chain oiler. All die-cast magnesium construction. Uses a Power Products diaphragm style carburetor. And this particular saw has got a 20-inch bar on it, running 1/2-inch pitch chain. So, see you guys when I get it all tuned in, and we'll cut some wood with it. See you later. Bye.